In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss tire rotation. Is it still advised? And what is the correct procedure? Catch You Ask, We Answer. Sell or keep? Mercedes C180 and Honda CRV. We answer two members of the public who are not sure what to do. That is what YAWA is all about. In this episode of All Things Motoring, Mike brings you POMC American Day Part 2, and Ernest attends a drag racing event with a huge difference. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Technology, infotainment, and competitive pricing lead the way in Jetour customer feedback. BYD launches BYD Shark 6, BYD Sea Lion 6, and BYD Sea Lion 7 in the South African market. Peugeot extends the electric range of the Peugeot E208, offering 433 kilometers, the best range in its segment. Jeep unveils details of the new Compass with a tribute by Alessandro Dobisi. New Opel Grandland and Opel Astra seating comfort at its best. Single-seaters set to thrill on the hill as Simola Hill Climb 15th edition approaches 1st to the 4th of May 2025. All eyes are on the single-seater, sports car and sports prototype category. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.